Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This hairstyle is one of the easiest and simplest hairstyle to make and to carry. Easy to make, easy to carry. I first divided the hair in two parts. I had no idea my camera stopped recording at some point. After cutting the hair to my desired sections, I held each section with a band securely. It has to be tight, but not too tight for discomfort. Then I crocheted the extension through the hair right under the band. I made sure the end of the extension were equal and I started twisting. I do not like to make twisting is not my favorite hairstyle. Or someone else helping me to make it. I do not like it.
But I still make it nonetheless, once in a blue moon.
The day I made this hair, the only thing on my mind was rolling from one end of the bed to the other. I did not have the zeal to make a new hair, but because my hair was already rough, I knew I could not delay it any further. I had to tell you, this hair was not the style on my mind when I woke up. But you know one thing about making one's hair, you have a style in mind and end up making a different style altogether. It's a flex, big flex. After making the back, I divide the front into half, not equally half. I divided the hair into smaller portion as well. Then I held the small part with a rubber band, just the way I did the back, but not necessarily the same thing. So I twisted. After twisting, I folded it into the loose hair at the back. I divided that one, put in the twisted part, and then held it with a rubber band as well. I repeated the same process to the other parts. Cut a part, hold with the rubber band securely, not to discomfort, don't forget. Then twist. After twisting, you fold to the one at the back until you hold the whole portion that you cut out for that particular style together. Personally, I think this is where the major work is on this hair. Seeing how the hair was turning out, I was already feeling myself here. I was already excited at the outcome. When you are done with that, you crochet the extension right under the last part and then you twist just the way I did the back. That just it. I did this other last part the same way I did the back. If you love twisting hairstyle, this hairstyle should be very easy for you. Even if you're doing the DIY or someone is making it for you, it's actually very simple. You will love it. After rolling it, I dip it inside hot water. Now this part is always scary because if you're not careful, your body is going to get burnt with hot water. After drying out the excessive water, I lose and the style came to life. Once you alter a thing in a hairstyle, it automatically changes the hairstyle entirely. It gives here we are done and I am looking so beautiful, if I say so myself. The hair is looking so neat, the hair is looking so beautiful. I did not count, but I'm not sure this hair is up to 50 pieces. What do you think about this hairstyle? Will you be trying it anytime soon? Thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe and comment. See you on my next video. Bye bye.